What is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to install software update iOS 17.7.2. Let's get into it. Go to settings, then general, then software update. And once you select that, you will see iOS 17.7.2. Now this is approximately 253.3 megabytes. Your number may be different, but it should be around that ballpark. So select update now, and this is going to request the update, and it's going to download the update for you. Once the update is finished downloading, then you will be able to install it. So it's going to walk us through this process. This may take 5, 10, 15 minutes. Just let it go through the process. Then select install now. It will verify the update, and then your phone will go through the process of updating. It will reboot, and then your home screen, once it's finished, will look just like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.